At Silicon Engineering Consultants LLC, we deliver high-quality rebar CAD solutions at affordable prices and with quick turnaround times. Our experienced team uses advanced software to create precise rebar shop drawings and bar bending schedules. These technical documents show exactly where each reinforcing steel bar should be placed in concrete structures, ensuring safety and compliance with industry standards. A bar bending schedule lists the quantity and size of steel bars needed for your project, helping contractors estimate costs, minimize material waste, and avoid delays. Separate schedules are created for beams and columns, providing all the details required for structural integrity. We also offer 3D rebar modeling, which helps identify potential clashes with other components and streamlines the construction process. Outsource your rebar detailing needs to us for accurate, timely, and cost-effective results. Contact Silicon Engineering Consultants LLC today to learn more.